Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the Only Way Route4me app and signing in. Once authenticated, pick demo or your paid plan so features match your needs. Next, import addresses directly, CSV or copy/paste, to avoid manual entry and validate duplicates. Then set the vehicle profile, start time, service window, and maximum stops per route. This influences optimization priorities. By starting with accurate inputs, you force the algorithm to produce realistic routes, so you reduce rework later and save driving time. Once the data is loaded, run the optimizer and choose the algorithm that matches your workflow. Make sure to set constraints like capacity, time windows, and live traffic for realistic results. After optimization, inspect each route on the map. Drag stops to reorder, split long routes, or reassign stops to different drivers. You should also apply priority flags and adjust service durations. This changes optimization outcomes. Doing these middle steps lets you fine-tune efficiency and ensures routes meet customer time expectations. Finally, deploy routes to drivers through the app or export GPX/KML for onboard systems. Confirmed drivers can access route details and navigation. Monitor live progress with tracking and ETA updates, and mark stops completed to keep manifests accurate. If something goes wrong, re-optimize after correcting address errors, adjusting time windows, or accounting for traffic spikes. This often resolves missed stops or late arrivals. If a driver can't access a route, resend assignment and verify app permissions and network connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.